In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Minecraft Realms in Java Edition. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about setting up a realm in Minecraft. So, Minecraft Realms isn't something that you can play, it is in a separate game. What Minecraft Realms refers to is the ability to create a server hosted by Mojang or Microsoft, and you will be able to play in this realm with your friends and whoever you want to invite. So it is essentially server hosting made official by the developers. So when you open the latest version of Minecraft, you will see this message if you have never used Realms before. In here, you can browse through invites that you have received to join a realm, and you can click the option to add a realm. Realms is a safe, simple way to join an online Minecraft world with up to 10 friends at a time. It supports loads of minigames and plenty of custom worlds. So you can either get a trial or buy a realm. Sadly, it is going to be a paid solution, so you cannot use it for free. If you click on Buy a Realm, this will open up a web browser where you can compare all of the plans. So if you visit the website, you will see them here. Realms for Bedrock Edition, Realms Plus for Bedrock, and finally for Java. So on Java, which is the focus of this video, it is going to be $8 per month. So you can click on the option here and sign in with your account. And in here, you can see all of the main features. So you and 10 other players can play simultaneously. You will have the server available 24/7. Friends will play for free. It will include backups, and you can have up to 3 worlds. So you will be able to play, and the server will be managed and hosted by Microsoft. You don't have to worry. So all that this is a hosting service provided by the Minecraft developers officially. After one of either you or your friends host a server, you can invite each other and join the realm here. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. If you subscribe, you can help us from the channel make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.